Morning everybody, it's now Friday the 4th of December, it's another wet one. We had quite a bit of rain yesterday, they were forecasting snow for today, but thankfully we haven't got it. Just going to clean out the cows. Just going to give them a scrape out today. Get them freshened up, ready for the weekend. Good old Merlo locks out instantly. Probably imagine with it being so wet, there isn't really a lot going on the farm at the moment. I tried to drill another field of wheat the other day, got most of it in, couldn't get the headland in. We're going to put that in with spring wheat, and the hedge cut is going to be going back on. Yeah, it's just cattle work really and maintenance at the moment. So not much content really, not very much to film, to be fair. But I'll endeavour to do my best, get some footage of different bits and pieces. We just come out of our second lockdown and now been put into our tier system. We're in tier 2 here, so yeah, still pretty strict, not quite as strict as the tier 3 obviously. So there are a few more things we can do. And the shooting season started for us again here now, so today's a shoot day, second shoot day. Yesterday was the first of since the last lockdown. So we're about to do that again. Hopefully it's going to be a bit of a better day today. It's hopefully not going to be as wet. Because yesterday was a complete write-off. out.